Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a fantastic duo for anyone serious about their audio setup. The InnoGear tripod, mic floor stand paired with their 2-pack of 6-foot male to female XLR mic cables. This combination offers a robust foundation for a variety of audio needs, from home studios to live performances. Starting with the InnoGear tripod mic floor stand, its construction immediately impresses. Crafted from durable metal, it exudes a sense of reliability that is crucial for holding valuable microphones. The tripod base is a significant advantage, providing exceptional stability that prevents accidental tipping, even with heavier condenser microphones. Its design allows for easy height adjustment, accommodating different users and instrument placements, while the boom arm offers further flexibility for precise mic positioning. Whether one is recording vocals, miking an amplifier, or setting up for a podcast, this stand adapts effortlessly. When not in use, it conveniently folds down, making it surprisingly portable for gigs or compact storage in a busy studio space. Its sturdy build ensures it can withstand the rigors of regular use, making it a dependable piece of gear for any audio enthusiast. Complementing the stand are the two 6-foot male to female XLR mic cables. These aren't just any cables. They are designed for broad compatibility and reliable signal transmission. The 6-foot length is a practical choice, offering enough reach for most common setups without excessive clutter. What truly sets these cables apart is their versatility. They are engineered to connect seamlessly with a wide array of audio equipment, including effectors, phantom power units, DMX LED lighting, amplifiers, sound cards, speakers, microphones, audio mixers, and even DSLR audio recorders. This extensive compatibility means that these cables can become the workhorses of any audio rig, simplifying connections across diverse devices. The quality of the connectors and the cable shielding ensures a clean, low-noise signal, which is paramount for professional-sounding audio. Having two cables in the pack is incredibly convenient, providing an immediate solution for stereo setups or for connecting multiple microphones or devices simultaneously. Together, the InnoGear tripod mic floor stand and the XLR cables form a cohesive and highly functional package. For anyone looking to establish a new audio setup or upgrade an existing one, this bundle presents an excellent value proposition. It delivers the stability and flexibility needed for optimal microphone placement, coupled with the essential, high-quality cabling required for clear and consistent audio transmission across a multitude of devices. This combination is truly a smart investment for creators, musicians, and audio professionals seeking dependable performance without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.